Central Texas, we're joined by meteorologist Josh Johns. Josh, how's the day look?
You know, today's going to look pretty good, Joe, but we will be watching the potential for a few rain showers in parts of Central Texas. No tropical storms here. That's the good news, though we could use some rainfall from them. We did get our own sort of rain yesterday from a few pop-up showers and thunderstorms that rolled through mainly the western portions of Central Texas. Officially only 3/100ths of an inch of land passes, but just north of it, our radar estimating close to 2 inches of rain fell. A little bit less over towards Killeen and Temple, just over 1/10 of an inch towards Burnett. Still, this is needed rainfall, especially in that neck of the woods, because look at the drought monitor showing you moderate drought that is in place over Bell County, over towards Milam, Williamson, and Burnett and Lampasas County as well. We'll get an update on this at Thursday, see if that made any sort of dent in it. It won't make much, but maybe we can get a little bit of improvement in the drought monitor. Of course, we'll bring that to you coming up on Thursday. Still some pretty dry ground looking there in the Exco, Eagle Eye, and Harker Heights, and it's already warm again across Central Texas. Upper 80s from Waco to Temple, Killeen, even the lower 90s towards Hearn, and upper 80s towards Bryan and College Station. Dew points remain in the upper 60s, so this is more humid air that's worked in. We aren't going to call it muggy or just absolutely humid yet, but still just your normal humidity you see this time of year, and that's making temperatures already feel like they're in the mid-90s down towards the Brazos Valley. There's also a little bit of a boundary stuck out there. You can look closely on the winds. You might be able to make it out sitting there over towards the Brazos Valley, and that will serve as the focus for the potential for some showers and thunderstorms later on this evening. Nothing right now, and as I zoom out the view, there's nothing out west either, so this isn't going to be a more widespread event like what we saw yesterday. Then more or less, this is going to be more of those popcorn showers and thunderstorms that we see sometimes in the summertime. You can see how it plays out on high-resolution future track. By around 2, 3 o'clock, we'll be watching for the potential for some of those to pop up over towards Bryan and College Station, also towards I-45, and then those will just quickly fall apart once the sun goes down. So they're just little pop-up showers. Will just pop back down just as quickly, but still, could see a little bit of rain down there towards the Brazos Valley. We'll call it about a 20% chance of rain, again, over our southeastern counties and down into the Brazos Valley. The rest of Central Texas should stay pretty dry. And then rain chances come back area-wide for tomorrow. A little weak disturbance may be just enough to pop up a few more of those showers, and after that, it looks like things are going to just be downright dry. Temperatures get in the upper 90s, even approaching the triple digits today. Overnight, they'll fall down to the mid-70s. Here's a look at the latest on Tropical Storm ISAIAS. Again, moving up the eastern seaboard. It's now near Philadelphia, bringing lots of heavy rain towards the tropical storm. Warnings extend all the way up into Maine. By this evening, it gets into Vermont, and then it's going to be moving up towards Canada and will no longer be an issue for the United States. There is just one little disturbance we're watching in the tropics, but this has a low chance of formation, so it looks like things will be quiet there and quiet here as high pressure settles in. That's really going to bring back that heat that we're used to this time of year. Highs getting back into the upper 90s. You look at that 10-day forecast, 96 for your high today. We'll call it about a 20% chance of rain in the Brazos Valley, 20% area wide coming up on Wednesday, and then things just dry out and we go back into the upper 90s, even nearing the triple digits by the time we head into next week. Joe, this is normal for August, and we've been holding off on it, but it's back and it's here for a while.